Hi, I'm Jeff Banks from MW Lomax, and this is the Banks Report.
The Banks Report, a commentary by noted property and business tax consultant Jeff Banks. Jeff is not your ordinary accountant and speaks in words and terms that you understand.
In my practice, I help people who are working hard and using property and self-employment to help them reach their financial goals. Question: are you a small business as defined by the ATO? Here I'm talking about the definition where a business has a turnover of less than $10 million rather than as defined in other provisions in taxation legislation. Question: are you looking to invest in assets up to a value of $20,000 in the next couple of months? Did you realise that the $20,000 small business write-off provisions still apply but finish on the 30th of June? So, remembering the rules are, for small business, there is the ability to purchase assets up to $20,000, and rather than put them on a depreciation schedule and write them off over their useful life, there is what is termed an instant asset write-off deduction allowable for these purchases. There is no limit to the number of items up to a value of $20,000 in any one given year. This means that if I have a $100,000 profit and I have purchased 5 by $20,000 assets, the business could effectively pay no tax. Whilst technically entering into a transaction that is specifically intended to reduce our taxation liability is captured under Part 4A, the anti-avoidance legislation, any small business looking to invest in capital items in the next 6 months or so should be looking to bring that purchase forward to prior to the 30th of June to take advantage of this provision. There has been no evidence to suggest that this provision will be extended past the closing date. Your MW Lomax client account manager will be well versed in these provisions and more than willing to discuss the pros and cons of such purchases on not only your taxation liability but also your cash flow. For those of you out there who are not clients of MW Lomax, simply drop us a line at strategy@mwlomax.com.au and one of our expert client account managers will be in contact.
The Banks Report is created by Jeff Banks of MW Lomax, a specialist financial services firm offering strategic advice and services you need in property and business, including accounting, taxation, finance, financial planning, risk insurance, superannuation, and business advisory.